Good evening, everyone. I'm going to show you a website that I use for those of you who are as busy as I am and have multiple things going on. This website is a great way to organize your life. It's called Wunderlist, and I'm a note taker, so I've always had multiple to-do lists and things to check off, so now I can do that virtually. And anyway, this is Wunderlist, and what you can do is you can create folders, and in those folders it has your different lists, so your to-do list. So for example, I have a personal folder, and that includes my bills, the list of bills, a to-do list, a list of things I need to do for my family, my kids, and you can also, just a note here, have shared lists. So as you can see with my bills right here, I have, it has the people little icon there, and that means that it is a shared list. So my husband is on that as well. I also have it for school, and as you can see here, I have one for this class. Now I have listed, I looked at my Module 2 and the assignments that we have there, and then I listed those out in this this note. So so whenever I complete a assignment or a to-do on my to-do list, I can just click it and it marks that it is done. So it is so wonderful. Also, I don't know if you saw that, but you can put a due date on it so that you can look and see when that assignment is due. So all of the different things that I do, and I usually have one for work, but I'm out for the summer. So every little area of my life I can compartmentalize and know when I need to complete those and what I've done and what I need to do. It's great for work. I can put multiple people on a list, and so whenever one of us does it, it can be marked off, and you don't have to wonder if somebody else completed a project, so it's already marked. So anyway, I hope that you guys find this interesting and will maybe download it and play with it, because it's a lot of fun and a lot of it makes my life a lot easier. But good luck to everybody, and I can't wait to see what you guys do in this class.